Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So right now we're at Pistons at the park again, and already there's some pretty nice cars. The parking lot is mostly empty, but there's a beautiful RX-7. So let me go ahead and show you guys that. Alright, so the orange car, the brand's actually Factory 5, and it's actually a kit car, but it looks insane. It totally looks like a supercar. If I remember, it actually has a Corvette LS engine in it as well, so they're still pretty quick, and it sounds amazing. And sitting right over here, we have a couple Ferrari 488 Pistas. Alright guys, so there's so many really nice cars here, and as I'm filming, there's still cars pulling in, so there's plenty of cars to see today, but right now we're gonna go check out kind of like a Tiffany blue Audi R8. I can't believe how common C8 Corvettes are becoming. Like right now there's already 2 at the event, a 3rd one's pulling in, and honestly almost like every single day I go out for a drive, I see a C8 Corvette. Like when they first came out they're super rare, but now they're pretty common, and that's kind of something that I don't like about it. Like the car looks amazing, but to me they're just too common. Alright guys, so there's a truck that was here before. It's like one of my previous videos. I don't know how far back, but he's here again, and just the overall height of this thing is insane. Alright guys, so this me is actually pretty legit, especially like the race car back behind me. But oh my gosh, this was a really good turnout. I'm actually gonna wrap it up right here. So if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this or other cool, crazy car content, hit that subscribe button so you keep coming back to all my awesome videos. But as always, guys, thank you for watching.